Alright, what's going on guys? T Torres back here for another video. As you can see by the title of this video, we have some PRL goodies in front of us. Now, it's been a long time coming to go full bolt-ons with a Type R, so I am ready to tear into this. I had a few stuff that I want to get out of the way for the truck, a couple of the upgrades I want to get done for that, and I still have some more my front end kit that I have to get done with that, but that'll be videos later down the road. But as you can see here, Christmas did come in January for me. I was so happy to see the FedEx guy drop this off. So as you can see here, we got 4 boxes, and we're gonna dig into the very first box. But before we do that, I'm gonna take the time to tell you guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because like 80% of my viewers aren't subscribed to my channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, turn on all your post notifications, and then when you're done doing that, comment down below and let me know you're done. And then make sure you go and I'll even put it on the screen for you right here. Go ahead and follow my Instagram. Because Instagram, I do post a lot of my content and photos on there. All right, so let's get into the very first box. Don't know what it is. All right, so the very first thing we are going to unbox is the intercooler charge pipes. And I do think with all this, I am going to start with the intercooler upgrading first, obviously. So here are some of the charge pipe pieces for the intercooler. The nice PRL logo. Man, that looks really, really good. And I know the guys at the PRL shop are probably going to be watching this video, so thank you guys so much for all the hard work. And I can't wait to see y'all's new building. Okay. Piping. Another nice little piece. This piece is for the bracket. It goes on the top there. And then of course we got PRL stickers. I have 100 of those. Hey, thank you Connor for packing this up for me. Okay, so as you saw, the last box was the charge pipes for the intercooler. This box, I'm very excited. This is the turbo inlet piping. This should be a very simple install as well. Let's take a look at this. Titanium inlet pipe. Alrighty, some more stickers. Once again, Connor, great job. Thank you for packing all my stuff. I'm sure you did. Okay, elbow piece that goes to the turbo. And then this is the adapter piece for the high volume intake. Okay, and this is what we really want to see. Wow, this weighs nothing. This titanium pipe is not anything. Take a look at this titanium pipe. Whoa! Wow, that weighs absolutely nothing. So what my goal is to do with this, I'm going to get this Cerakoted. I've got a really good powder coater, Major League Coatings. I know you're watching this video, Zach's gonna hook it up. We're gonna get this coated. Probably gonna do just a nice little black color in order to keep this pipe from getting super hot. Because as you know, turbo sits like really close and right under this titanium inlet pipe. So I am super excited to get this piece on the core. I almost wanna do this first, but I think I'm going to do the, I am gonna do the intercooler first. Alrighty, so titanium inlet piping, and we have the charge pipe unboxed. Let's go ahead and get to the next beast. This is going to be, if I had to guess, I think this is going to be my intercooler. Yep. Here is the intercooler. Alrighty, more stickers. Gasket. Ooh, not Connor. Nick, thanks buddy for packaging this for me. Okay. Oh, nice. They even sent out a PRL stencil. We are definitely going to be using that. Let's take a look at this beautiful intercooler. This is probably just as exciting as the titanium inlet piping. Oh wow. All the photos on the internet don't do this any justice. Everything on this is beautiful. Voila. There you have it. There is the PRL intercooler. I am super excited. Got the nice little logo right here on the end tank. And yeah, we are definitely going to get this powder coated black, just like they offer. I'm just gonna let my powder coater do it. Major League Coating is gonna hook it up as well. And then, to top it all off, we're gonna do PRL stencil in here. And I think we're gonna do like the red R, stuff like that. So there you have it. There is the intercooler. Okay, so the last and final piece is the, should be the front pipe, the downpipe. And one of the cool things is, I think I got the last one, if not one of the last catless downpipes that PRL is going to sell. They decided to pull it off the market and they're no longer going to be offering the catless downpipe. So I just got lucky. I called them, told them I ordered, and they're like, hey, you got one of the last catless downpipes. So that is going to, it's going to sound really good. It's also going to be paired up with my exhaust, which is being made as we speak. So comment down below on what exhaust you think that I went with. I also ran a poll on YouTube, and one of those that I posted in the on the poll on YouTube is the exact exhaust that I got. Oh, look at that! Got something cool. Draw my own wheels. Thanks, guys. Pretty cool. It's like a 3D rendering of the actual car. It's pretty cool. Thanks, guys. I'm gonna say Connor packed this, not Nick. Oh, I was right. Connor, once again, homeboy, thank you. I'll sing at your wedding. Alrighty. This right here is the, if I can get it open. Dang. You guys really think I have to remove this before I install it? I think I'm gonna install it with that sticker on there. All right, give me a second to get my knife. It's bubble wrap. Connor, you did a good job on bubble wrapping this. It was up to me. I'd tell Pat to give you a raise, and also Nick could probably use a raise too. I think very few times I've said a cuss word on my YouTube videos. This bubble wrap not been so fun. So here you have it. Here is the catless downpipe. Nice little PRL logo. That is going to be a fun install. Definitely gonna make the car a lot louder. What do you know? More PRL stickers. Gotta love it. Okay. All the hardware, the gaskets, and the bolts. Okay. Spacers for that. And then here is the front pipe. Go ahead and let me get aggravated again with this bubble wrap. Connor, you did a good job. Alright, this bubble wrap is in my butt. Either that or my knife is super dull. Alright, good job, Connor. Alright, here you have it. Here is the front pipe. Of course, I had to go with the catless downpipe. You know, as I get older, I feel like cars to be quieter, but I really want to open this thing up and let it breathe. So I'm definitely excited. Probably another sticker that I'm gonna leave on there. Let it blow out the exhaust. Definitely gonna install it with the sticker. Some more of this bubble wrap. All right, so there you have it. That is everything that we have for the Type R. We are going to be going full bolt-on, like I mentioned. And then in a future video, I'm sweating. I'm going to do the flex fuel kit. We just don't have flex fuel here readily available in Florida where I live. So I'm thinking I will just probably go get like 10, maybe 15 gallons of E and then store it in the garage. So that brings me to my next question for you all. Comment down below what order you think I should install these parts. I think I'm gonna do intercooler first with the charge pipes, inlet piping, and then the front pipe, downpipe. And I have K-tuner, so I'll be able to cut off the sensor for the downpipe. Another one of my next questions is, I want you guys to comment down some 10-gen people or people who have R's running the same setup. I have in mind who I want, but who do you think I should get to tune the Type R? There's a couple people out there that I want to brainstorm with on who I should go with. Being that I have K-tuner, not Honda, I know Honda offers a couple more options than what K-tuner offers, but K-tuner is who I went with. I am, K-tuner loyal. But yeah, comment down below who I should get to tune the Type R. So we have full bolt-ons to go. We have my exhaust coming. Hopefully it'll be here by the end of February, wishful thinking, maybe beginning of March. And then also, I've got a set of wheels picked out for this. Fingers crossed everything goes well with that. And yeah, I'm super excited to get the intercooler powder coated along with the titanium turbo inlet piping. So if you're stopping into the channel for the first time, do a huge favor. I really want to get to 20,000 subscribers. We're almost there. Just a couple thousand more will be there. So please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, leave this video a big thumbs up, and also be sure to follow my Instagram. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.